Hello, good evening. This is Teacher Ace. This is the first time I created a video tutorial for some students who cannot understand some topics about math, science, and English. For today, I'm going to discuss about the real numbers. Okay? So real numbers are classified or anything in the number line. Okay, so this is the real number. Anything in the number line is what you call the real numbers. Okay, there are two classifications of real numbers, which are first one is what you call the rational numbers, and the other one is what you call the irrational numbers. Okay, so these are classified into two. The first one is identified as the rational numbers, and the other one is irrational numbers. Okay, so rational numbers, these are numbers that can be written in a form of um, integers or anything number. So I'll be giving some examples under the rational numbers. Then I'll be for identifying also some examples for irrational numbers. For real numbers, or for rational numbers rather, there are different classifications. The first one is the integers. Okay, so under the rational numbers, we have the integers. So I'll be making a Venn diagram for the visualization or visual explanation about the real numbers. Okay, and that one is what's called the integers. Okay. So the integers are part of the rational numbers. Anything that the integers are positive, 0, and negative, they are classified as integers. Okay? The integers are classified since identified siya ng negative, positive, and negative, 0, and positive. The integers, meron din siya, and it includes the whole numbers. Okay? So if you are classifying only the 0 and the positive, that's what you call the whole numbers. Okay, going to make another one. Just one. Okay. Okay. This. Okay. Wait lang. Okay. Okay. So these are your whole numbers. Okay. The whole numbers include the positive and the 0. Okay. So under the whole numbers is what you call the counting numbers. Okay. So anything that the whole numbers are identified to a positive and a 0 number, or a 0, yes, it's a 0 number. So let's try to make another one, and that is what you called that small one is identified as the natural. Wait, I'll change the font. The natural or the counting numbers. Okay, so the natural or the counting numbers are all positive because you cannot classify the 0 as part of the counting numbers because when you count, there's definitely no 0. Okay, how about irrational numbers? The irrational numbers, They are not or cannot be expressed as quotient. Usually they are under symbols such as pi, because the pi is equivalent to 3.1416. It's long. It's very long. Okay? So anything that is non-terminating and non-repeating are classified as irrational number. The rational, so if this one are classified as non-terminating and non-repeating, the rationals, of course, they are the repeating and the terminating numbers. Okay? So that's basically about the two kinds of real numbers, which are the rational and the irrational numbers. Okay, so I'll be creating another video tutorial which includes the addition of real numbers. Okay, bye. See ya. Thank you.